Hey guys, what's going on? It's Nate Rio here, and in this video I want to give you a tutorial on how to set up domain forwarding. So first of all, what is domain forwarding, and really do you need it or should you use it? I'm going to give this demonstration in GoDaddy, but the process is going to be the same no matter what type of domain provider you're using, so whether it's Namecheap or GoDaddy. The process is all about the same once you're familiar with some of the familiar terms. Under GoDaddy, I first want to show you how to do this. So you're going to pull up your domains list. So in GoDaddy, I'm just going to click Manage My Domains. And when that page loads, then it's going to show me a list of my domains. So you'll notice I have a number of them here, but I want to just use a couple for example. So this first one on my list, I have 60-minute lead magnet. So if I were to open up a new window here in my browser and I were to go to 60minleadmagnet.com, when I open this URL, or I give this domain rather out to somebody, it's going to open up this page and it's going to redirect to the domain or the URL of my choice. Okay? So when I put that domain in the URL field and I hit enter, you'll notice it redirects to this other domain. So in my case, it's naterio.com/60-minute-advert. So what I've done is I've told GoDaddy that when someone puts in this domain or this URL into their web browser, it's going to redirect here. So that's going to make things a lot easier. So how I did that here is under the domain settings, you're just going to click on the link here. And then on the next page, you're going to find this, the setting that says forwarding, and then you're going to click Manage. And then Update Forwarding. And then what you want to do is you want to tell GoDaddy that when you put in your domain, you're going to have it forward to another link here. So in this case, I have it forwarded to, again, naterio.com/60-minute-advert. So when you put in that domain again, and I can show you that one more time, if I put 60min-lead-magnet and I hit enter, it's going to redirect then to that URL. So the other method you may want to do that is also for affiliate links. So instead of giving people out your affiliate link, it might be easier just to give them a domain. So if I go back here to my domains list, and an example I've done for this would be for tryhtam.com. Okay, so if I pull up and I give someone this domain, or it's on the web somewhere, and I say go to tryhtam.com, when they hit enter or click on that link or that URL, it's going to forward to one of my affiliate links, which means if someone were to buy something or purchase something using that link, I'm going to get a commission. Okay, so let's let this load here. And you see when the page loads, it shows, it redirects to this link, which is my affiliate link, because here's my affiliate ID for this offer here. Okay, so the cases in the example or the tutorial on that is the same. So under your forwarding, you're going to go to Manage, and then Update Forwarding. And then what I've done is I've just put my affiliate link in here, and then you're going to click Edit, and it's going to save it then. Okay, so what happens now then is on the internet, I can give people this link and I can hyperlink this, or it's a lot easier to tell people to go to tryhtam.com instead of this long coded link. Okay, so that is what domain forwarding is, and that's when you want to use it. Okay, so you might be have a blog or something. Instead of having that long affiliate link, you might just have the text here, and then you can put the domain there, and it'll make it a lot easier for people to do that. Plus, if you have it on multiple websites, it's going to make things a lot easier, again, to share your link across the internet instead of your affiliate link. And then also, as your affiliate links change, you may have a generic offer, or you may change the way your web page looks or anything like that, but you can always just go in to GoDaddy or your domain provider, and you can change this at any time. So in the future, if I wanted this tryhtam.com to go to some other offer, I can just go on my domain forwarding and then change that. So you can keep the domain as long as you keep paying for it, and then you can just redirect people where you want to as you see fit. So that's what domain forwarding is, and that's how it can help your business. All right, hope that helps.